Hello again. Today I'm going to talk you through how to use the different driving displays which are available on the 9-inch Smart Touch display. This first one you can see here is the simplest. It shows you your speed, what gear you're in, whether range changes are automatic, for example. If you then press this quadrant button on the right hand side, you then enter into the quadrant display. From the quadrant display you can access many different features. If you want to change what is shown on a quadrant, simply swipe across like so. Here, for example, we now have rear linkage settings on this top display. To change settings in here, simply tap once and then select, for example, this middle button, and now you can choose which functions are visible on this quadrant. If you press this button here, it clears all or selects all. You can then select and deselect individually which functions can be shown. When we return to the quadrant display, those functions which are no longer selected no longer appear in the quadrant display. Another feature which can be accessed by tapping the display is the settings for that functionality. As you can see, we have now accessed the PTO settings. Double tapping the quadrant opens it up into a full screen display. On the driving display, you can also view functions like auto guide, cameras, that kind of thing. Simply swipe across until you find the display you're looking for. Anything you save on the driving displays is also saved into your profile. So, as always, you can recall your settings at the touch of a button.
Valtra, your working machine.